Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to undo a repost on Instagram or unrepost any posts you find there. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So imagine you are scrolling or through your explore page and you accidentally stumble through a post, and then from here you click on this button. This will make it reshared. And so it will appear on your profile once you go bottom right and you see that your shared posts are here. So if you'd like to remove one of them, then you will simply click on whatever post that you would like to remove, and from here you're going to just re-click on the repost button, and as you can see it says that you reposted this post. Simply click on delete, which is going to be next to it, and now it's gone from here. If you'd like it to be a bit easier, then go back to the post where you originally found it, and then from here, if you had to repost it, then simply just double click on it and then simply click on delete again without the need to go back to your profile. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.